Sea of Wind. Once upon a time, there was a mysterious place called the Sea of Wind in a distant country. In this sea, it was said that the wind flowed over the sea and played thousands of songs. It is believed that the song has the power to heal the listener's heart and make his dreams come true. One day, Akira, a young fisherman, boarded a small boat drifting in the waves and went fishing. However, on that day, the sea was strangely quiet, and the wind was not blowing at all. When he was about to give up, he suddenly heard a beautiful melody from the depths of the sea. Fascinated by the melody, Akira turned the boat in the direction of the sound. After a little further, he found a beautiful mermaid in the shining water. The mermaid looked at him and smiled. "I am Amari, the spirit of the Sea of Wind. This song is mine, and I sing it to know the dream that sleeps in your heart." Akira was a little surprised, but he always had a dream in his heart to succeed as a fisherman. So Akira talked about his dream. "If you can cross the waves and catch a lot of fish, you can help the village. For everyone to be happy." Amari heard his wish, waved his hand, and a gentle wind began to blow. The wind enveloped Akira's boat and led him to the Sea of Songs. The place was a beautiful sea with colorful fish dancing. Akira got a big catch on the spot and returned to the village. The villagers were surprised and welcomed him like a hero. Akira shared the fish he caught to help the village, and everyone worked together to build a rich village. Every year after that, Akira went fishing in the Sea of the Wind, not only to catch fish, but also to reunite with Amari and listen to her songs. The song became important to him and continued to resonate in his heart forever. "The Song of the Sea of the Wind taught me the importance of keeping dreams." And Akira became an existence that was passed down as a story of the wind in his village. Amari, the spirit of the Sea of Wind, was always with him in his heart.